Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up a ticket toolbot on your Discord server, and this is going to be the website that I want you to access. So this is going to be the linked ticket tool XYZ, and this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. Once you're here, I just simply want you to click on this button, Invite Ticket Tool, this blue one right here. So I'm going to click on it right now and it should redirect me on this Discord invite. Now basically for this one you just need to select your server. Now I'm going to go with my server right here and click on the continue button. Once I'm here, I want to make sure that I don't give it as a admin role. As you can see right here, I have manage roles, manage channels, read messages, send messages, manage messages, attach files, read message history, use application commands. So there is no administrator. Go right here and click on authorize and wait for it to finish this capture, and basically it should be opening up this, clicking this button right here, and it should show it like this. Now once you're in Discord server, after they authorizing that ticket tool, I want you to click on your Discord settings, click on server settings right here, and you should open up these choices. Now find roles on the side, this one right here, and find the ticket tool role. It should be on the very bottom section, this one right here. Now if you found it, just drag it on the top section if you have more options, but I have only one option, so I don't do it. And now you should click on the save changes button right now if you change something. Now once you're moving up that ticket tool, next thing is going to be creating a role. Basically we're going to create a staff role. It will be one replying to the tickets. Now to create one, simply click on that border, create, right there, click on it, and then basically name the role. For this one, I'm going to go with staff role, so just for discussion purposes. And then I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to choose a very bright purple one so I can identify it very quickly, and I'm not going to use an image. I want it to be default, but if you want, please do so, and then you can choose if you want to enable your role members to separately from online members, but I'm not going to do it here, and I'm going to make sure this button right here is disabled. I don't want to click this button that says allow anyone to mention this role, and basically with that one I'm going to save on changes. Before I proceed on permissions, I just want to make sure everything is good on the display. Now under permissions, I want you to click on that clear permissions button if it's clickable. Make sure click on the text, but if it's not clickable, as you can see right here, mine is not, well, that means that it's good to go. That being said, just move up this staff role a little bit in the top section, just behind that ticket tool. But I have only one thing, so I will not do it. Now, once you're here, after executing that settings, I want you to click on the left side and simply click on create category. And from here, we're just going to name it. Let's just say support staff or staff support, just a similar name right there, and make sure you click on private category and click on the next button. Once you're here, I want you to make sure you click these following roles. First is staff role, next is ticket role, and the next one is going to be the members. So you can choose the members you want. To click, for example, I want to click on the ticket tool. It's very important to click on this ticket tool, and also we can choose every members you want. Now, if you're satisfied with this one, simply click on create category right here and place it as you do fit. So as you can see right there, since I don't have staff support here, I don't have anything else. I'm going to stay it as it is, but if I have different support roles or categories, I can place it on the upper section of my Discord. Now, after adding that support channel or staff support category, I want you to simply right click on it and click on the edit button. we're going to compromise it or fix it, so permissions right there. Make sure it's going to be toggled for everyone and just look for this specific category. Now scroll down a little bit until you see the read message history. Make sure this is enabled. Click on the save changes and close the application. So once you're back here, I want you to click on that plus sign icon beside that staff support channel or category we just created, and then basically type in staff support or staff text or similar. I'm going to go with staff ticket here, and basically I'm going to click on create channel. Now, after adding that support channel or Razor channel right there, text channel, I'm going to go back from earlier, the website on ticket tool, this one right here, and once I'm here, I'm going to make sure I'm panel configs on the left side and click on it. So once you're in panel configs, click on create one, this one right here. I'm just going to name the panel. Let's just say support panel, because basically we're creating a support server, right? Or support bot. So please choose a specific name or a similar, click on create. You will see this option. We're just going to add some comments in the specific panel configurations. Please follow the following comments that I add. So click on the general option right there. Now once you're here, expand these right here and you will see this drop down choices. So look for the one you created earlier, the staff role right here, the one responding to the ticket. Make sure to click on it, and now we are going to save the changes on this bottom right here. After saving, go back on this bottom right here and we're going to click on category right here. Now, once you're here, expand this category right here. It's going to be a drop down again, and look for the staff support, the one we created earlier, and save it. And then after saving, just click on back. So go back to the landing page. And once you're here, I want you to click on messages. Just on edit panel message right here. Now, once you're here, I want you to expand the embedded editor. And for example, this is going to be the default ticket or message. To create a ticket, react with emoji. Don't forget to always add these emoji. It's really important. So I'm just going to edit the text here. For example, I'm just going to say support bug or Razor report issue, like so, or a glitch or something, and then basically make sure I still have that emoji. Right here, I'm going to name it by clicking this emoji. I'm going to create a ticket below, so make sure you always have an emoji because that's going to be the trigger on our Discord. So after that you're satisfied with it, say on this button right here, and basically same process. Click on go back button right here, and once you're here, click on permissions. Find that ticket owner permissions should the top right section and click on edit open. Now same process as a Discord server. Find that read message history, so it should be around here somewhere. This one right here. So read message history, make sure you enable it. Click on the save and then go back to panel configuration section right here. Now once here, I want you to click on send button right here. Now as you can see right here, by default it has that general ticket channel, so I want you to choose the one we created earlier, the staff ticket. Click on send, and after sending you will see this green icon right there. We are going to go back to Discord. Now as you can see, this ticket message will show up. This is the one we created earlier, and as I mentioned, this is a very important part. You will see these be right here by simply clicking on that create ticket. Your members and staff or Razor moderators can just simply click on this button and they're going to create a ticket. I'm going to click it right now just for example purposes. Now, as you can see right there, once done, it will open a new channel, but for this one, only the server stuff, the one you created earlier, the one we added, will be available on this section. Now, once you're here, for example, it's already been resolved, the ticket staff members can simply close the ticket, and after closing the ticket, you can choose to close it right here for secondary opinion options and then click on close. And then basically once you're here, you can transcript or reopen the ticket. But however, if you want to really close it forever, simply click on this delete button and it will delete the channel. So as you can see right there, ticket will be deleted in a few seconds, and basically that's it. So you just taken your Discord to another level with a support channel right there. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to our